Good morning, respected chairpersons, fellow researchers, and distinguished attendees. It's an honor to present my research on the Indus script at this esteemed international conference. The contents of presentation are 350 plus symbols, word formations, structure of civilization, nobles hierarchy, clans, kings, dynasties, and internal warfare, trade, currency, economy, taxes and Ayurveda, gods, religion, culture, folktales and games, international presence and dominance. When we put seal M440 over the Indus River, we get positions of all the 7 states of civilization. As you see, there is a heron because it is the location of Kevladev National Park dedicated for Siberian cranes. You can see a hoe in the hand of this heron because it is also the location of Khetri copper mines. The name of these 7 states are Naga, Shivas, Simha, Alina, Rishbha, Baka and Aja. In Rig Veda, this is the location which was called Sapt Sindhu. Similarly, when we put Pashupati seal M304 over Indus River, we get 5 of these states. The structure of Indus civilization also given in Rig Veda 7.18.7. States or clans mentioned here are tiger symbol Kravya, scorpion symbol Alina, rhino symbol Shivas, elephant keeper symbol Vishanin, bull symbol Balanas, heron symbol Pakta, and goat symbol Ajajiva. The language of Indus civilization is Proto-Vedic Sanskrit. But how? In 2018, I created an Indian Aryan historical chart. By utilizing reverse chronological method, I found Rigvedic peoples and Indus civilization peoples were contemporary and isotopic for over 300 years. It means they must spoke the same language. The Indus script direction of reading is same as the direction of all other ancient Indian scripts, that is left to right. But while reading, one should take care of the material on which it is written. 4. Engraved seal or tablet, read right to left. 4. Bas relief ceiling or tablet, read left to right. 4. Incised copper tablet, read left to right. The hierarchy of Indus governance is a 3-tier system. Unicorns or Sabhapatis are at the 3rd tier. They were nobles and ministers under rulers. On 2nd tier, animal motifs appears. They were called Gopti or Napra, and they were the rulers of the single state. At the top of the hierarchy, there were Chakravartis, the ruler of multiple states. Earlier Chakravarti kings appeared as composite animal on seals because they are the unifier of all the 7 Indus states. Here are some names: Sharmsim, Apuprios, Pranagar. Later Chakravarti kings appeared as holding 2 tigers by neck, like Vakr Asu, Rudratuk, Shamnamojso. It denotes imperialism. Same symbology was used in Egypt and also in Mesopotamia. Sanders clan or state of a unicorn seal can be identified by pedestal pattern if its name not mentioned on it. For elephant motif, Nag clan, vertical lines. For tiger motif, Simha clan, twin curve. For rhino motif, Shivas clan, dots. For ox motif, Rishabh clan, moon curve. For bull motif, Pani clan, cubical mesh. A common term used for all peoples of Indus civilization, even if he is a minister, a merchant, a king or a Chakravarti, that is Arya. Let us see. Panapati Apupanch Epratu Arya, merchant lord Apupanch, spotless Arya. Pranag Arya Sim Namah Nripati, Nagas Arya loyal, salute king. Dupratu Arya Panidranath, radiant Arya Panidranath. Praven Sim Epratu Arya, Praven loyal, spotless Arya. Prasen Namah Epratu Arya, Prasyan salute, spotless Arya. Prataksimam Epratu Arya, apparent loyal, spotless Arya. The unicorn of Indus are actually nobles and ministers under rulers, including various rishis. Their depiction inspired from the male Nilgai, which have combined physical features of deer and horse. That's why it was called a Nash on Indus seals. 2 horned animal motifs represent sovereign king, and 1 horn represents non-sovereign, a noble working for a king. Later period sculpture shown one-horned Risheshrang doing yajna for King Dashrath of Ayodhya. One-horned icon also found on Vedic Panchmark coins. Word Sabhapati mentioned on many seals, for example, Sabhapati Ramtuk, Sabhapati Tumachtu, Shapanyati Sabhapati Prazimut Mahaasu. When we see this tablet or this tablet, what comes in our mind? It looks like it is God Ganesha or God Vara. Let's read the script on the other side of the tablet. Napt Gaja Prajak, King Gaja the Charioteer. Not only his name, his life story also given on it. He was accused by the king. He won the fight against Rishabh clan and he became the king. He is the person who wrote first Veda, the Pranav Veda. How do I know? See, it's written on a seal. Pragaja Apushiv Veda, Gaja's big beneficial Veda. He was not just the king but the priest also. So he is the priest king of Mahamatra Durg, Mohenjo-daro. A crowned Gaja clan king would look like this. If we remove human figure from it, the crown will look like this. This is the same symbol we have seen at the king's grave of Sinoli. So, they were the kings who performed military expedition as far as 900 km from their capital. So, they were no normal kings, but they were Chakravarti kings. Prajapati Gaja's whole lineage is available on Indus seals. There is Prajapati Gaja at center. On his right, his son Sarmsim is there, and on his left, his grandson Prakshur is there. Why I am calling him Prajapati and linking him with Nag clan? See, on elephant motif seal, the word Prajapati is written. On another seal, Prajapati Gaja is written. On another composite animal motif seal, all animals are bounded by a twin-faced snake symbol, which is the script symbol of Naga clan. When we see this tablet, what comes in our mind? It looks like it is God Narasimha. Let's read the script on the other side of the tablet. Prasthe Enadra Asu, Enadra, seen upon whom deers run away, the strong. So he is the king of tiger motif, Krave clan. When we see this seal, what comes in our mind? It looks like it is God Hanuman. Let's read the script on the other side of the seal. Napra Rudra Apap Ikshasht Vasuye, King Rudra sinless 1/6 wealth desired. So he is the King Rudra demanding tax or barter ratio of 1/6. So we see in Indus civilization there was a tradition among kings that they took get-up of their clan's animal motif on special occasions. Dholavira signboard, the biggest Indus script artifact. Let's read what is written on it. Vakra Chach Ratyach Vrakshanach. Vakra, Chakravarti, treasury and fortified place. Word Chach is for Chakravarti. But how? Let's see another seal on which Prachach is written. And there is a picture depicting a king seated on a rhino umbrella throne and a bull is bowing before him. You can see now. On few Indus seals, some important vegetation and herbs also mentioned. Let's read these plant motif seals. Apratulok Shivik. This tree, fill all world dweller, means Shiva, so it's a bilva tree. An Pratakshaha. This tree, breathing builder, so it's a people tree. Av Dharmaya. This tree protecting hernia, so it's a Ashoka tree. Here is the lengthiest Indus script copper tablet, and it belongs to Ayurveda. How? Let's read it. Vani Vencham Osh Merushya Nagdand Yutpranat Labhyat Lajisham Vakr Gaj Vikshat Ulkhe Rashtav Ko Dandatuch Shivven Gajakhe. Fire, water, light, herb mountainous Nagdand combined. Beneficial in eye inflammation, famous for elephant tusk wound curing. Great sage Kodan son Shiven declare. Festivals, dance and games were part of Indus culture. In Indus seals, King Aryashv is called dance master. Various kinds of dice games have been invented by them. One important thing to note is that the role of woman was not just limited to household, she worked as a warrior too, as mentioned in Rig Veda for Crab Queen Mudgalani. There is a northeast facing crescent moon type structure with nearby water body and a sitting platform found at Harappa. Similar but grand structure found at Mohenjo-daro. On a Indus seal, this moon tower is depicted and its other side script says Pranag Taturi, Naga clan preserver. Let me remind you that northeast direction is called Ishan, which is the name of god Shiva. Moon at top is called Chandrasekhar, that is also a name of Shiva. In later era, this moon tower shown as Arched Hill on modern and Gandhar coins. From this symbol, present Omkar is derived. This is the famous Pashupati seal of Indus civilization. Let's read what is written on it. Param Dviprakran, supreme divine nature, God Shiva's divine form as Pashupati. In Shiva Purana, God Shiva is called Pashupati. Another seal depicting people offering libation to God, and its written script says Prarudram Namah Shiva. Chief Rudra salute Shiva. So it is clear that Indus Pashupati is the god Shiva only. All Indus clans recognize, superpose and worship one god. Let's see who he is. Prarudram Namah Shivaya, Ragujasham Namah Shivaya, Dhanupati Jimut Namah Shivaya, Pratakshakt Lok Nindin Namah Shivaya, Pravajra Oj Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. One universally accepted god worship is one of the reasons behind conflict-free rapid development of Indus civilization. If God Shiva is there, how his consort would be left behind? Let's read what is written on these lion goddess seals. Apap Namah Apubhujang, Rukel, Sinless Salute, Den of Snakes, and goddess playing. These qualities matched with the goddess Twarita, a form of chief goddess Tripur Sundari, and one of the 16 Nityas worshipped in Shri Chakra. On other Indus seals, there is written that Shri Anayati Pachattur Adharvya Kalpvraksha, prosperity comes by hail and sacrifice to Kalpvraksha, and there is pattern. This is the oldest known form of Shri Yantra. In Indus civilization, there were lots of internal wars. As you see in these seals, bull symbol Rishabh clan's king Mayashiva defeating Kravyas and other 5 clans as well. On another seal, many states subjugating to Pani clan's king. On a copper spearhead, name of god of war Indra is mentioned. Story of this pictorial seal exactly match with the Puranic story of Tarkamya war when abducted Tara was released by Indra. Indus peoples were very precise in weights and measurements. As you see, weights follows a binary logic. They have been named as given in table like Karsha, Sukti, Pala. Similarly, length measurements were also named like Yava, Angul, etc. Calculations follows a decade system as given in the copper artifacts Panchdash 15, Shat Saptati 76, Trishat 30. Cowries were used as barter medium. Another important medium of goods exchange is Karshapan. Its name derived from these two Indus symbols, Krush and Panay. This Karshapan became the currency of upcoming Vedic empires. There were traders of every type in every Indus clans. On many seals or tablets, their names and business also mentioned. Let's read few of them. Pani Ikshu Epr Pashupuk, Merchant Ikshu spotless herd. Baby animals also shown on the tablet. Prakushul, greenery honor. Image of stacked grain packets shown here. Naprarudra Epr Niktvedurya. King Rudra spotless excavate lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli was also traded. On many seals, barter ratios are mentioned like 1/8, 1/6, 1/3, 1/7. And finally, Pani clan do achieve the status of kingship. Bharurat Prapani, King Bharurat named is mentioned here. There are some Indus seals that are showing animal sacrifice. Let us see offering to whom. Napra Ram Dandak Dhuru, King Ram Dandak's pole star. Nag Nag Namah Chandrasekhar, Lord of Nagas salute God who has moon on his head, means God Shiva. Pramyuk Asusham, Muk, strong, able. So there were kings doing sacrifice as a ceremonial task and offered it to God Shiva. In Sri Kand Puranam, it is mentioned that Uttar Bhumi Asuras worship Lord Shiva by offering him blood and meat. On few Indus seals, there is a consistent story of man and tiger. Let's see whose story is this. Panisapatra, Pani clan's hunter. Grahapyutak, connected to guardian. Ramapuprat Namaharita, very busy in leaves dropping, exhausted saluting God, controller of cosmic order. By images and description, it can be easily concluded that it is the famous Shiv Puran's story of Dubdhak. Later Indus phase has lots of non-motive, longer scripted seals. Let us see what is the message here. Pravajr Oj Sham Mahasu Dyuptu Are, Vajr Oj, thunderbolt strength, able, great, strong, radiant Are. Praritya Rudra, Bhakti, Ramsim, Namah, Shiv Asan, Shar Are Sen. Righteous Rudra King, Ramsim, salute Shiva like archer, Are Sen. Pipil Kushulam, Raven Yaksh Kushul Simtuk. Ants granary, Raven Yaksh granary, Loin Sun. Prapanik Asuhala, Indrapram, Ramvakra. Prapni, strong Hala, in love with God Indra. So we see as the seals became longer, titles became longer. Let's examine what is written on Indus seals found on foreign lands. Chandrapipil Gopti, Panimandal Sosopan. Chandrapipil, new moon, king merchant, state Sosopan. Sosopan is the Indus name of Susa. This seal also found at Susa. Vakra Hala, great crown Hala. At that time, Indus king was Hala. Mandal Dvimanu Shaptulik Romshi. State Dvimanu, famous Romshi. Dvimanu is the Indus name of Dilmun. Praenu Matra Tudrgopti. Ains Matra Tudrgopti. At that time, king of Dilmun was Tudra. He is also mentioned as Tudiman in Puranic literature. At last, let's see some important carving seals and tablets. Napra Anandin Dandapit, King Anandin court. It means king also act as a judge. Grisham Charita, summer's character. They have the knowledge of seasons. Mak Namah En Bhrat Kuru Sabhapati Maru. Mak, adorable, salute En Bhrit moon, Kuru's assembly member Maru. Niptu Rare Pramratya, King Rare's authority. They were the naval power. Praenu Vajr Oj Aryashva Mahaasu. Ains Vajr Oj, son of Aryashva, very strong. Indus civilization laid the foundation of all the forthcoming civilization of India. Here is the seal. We see two tigers are joined together and return King Shivdhat. This is the inspiration for our blessed Vellum Ashoka Sarnath pillar, which have four joined lion with written script saying Devnam Priya Priyadasi Raja. Indus script is logosyllabic like Mesopotamian archaic cuneiforms and Egyptian hieroglyphs. It does not follow vowel consonant system, but it follows Sanskrit Sandhi and Samas patterns. Most of the Indus scripts are pictorial form of the things present in this civilization. James Prinsep and Cunningham do apply the same rule while deciphering Brahmi. Here is the list of Indus symbols and meanings. Arya, Aryaman, rising sun. Ikshu, sugarcane. Ain, deer. Udra, extract. O, Ojas, swastik. Ka, Kark, crab. Khag, bird. Gach, walking. Chakra, wheel. Jal, water. Tah, tail. Darbi, ladle. Dhanush, bow. Nar, man. Patra, utensil. Band, confine. Grah, house. Matsya, fish. Shalya, spear. Hast, hand. Yam, control. Raju, rope. love, body hair. Valay, circle. Nasal sound. Shiva, God Shiva. Abs, water. Paksh, feather. Asan, chair. Dhruv, bowler. Mitra, friend. Jwal, torch. Pithika, pedestal. Kushul, granary. Krivi, well. Osh, baking. Samagri, goods. Nauka, ship. Kritka, knife. Rath, chariot. Sthal, plate. Shambuk, shell. Kapard, kavri. Udyan, orchard. Hal, plow. Gopti, cowherd. Surya, sun. Arima, light. Trilok, three worlds. Hans, swan. Sopna, stairs. Shwa, swan, dog. Nagpad, cobra pair. Tund, elephant trunk. Shivika, sedan. Kevrat, fishnet. Padma, lotus. Padnab, lotus base. Kukuta, cock. Romshi, squirrel. Wedge, hand fan. Pishit, flash. Vein, river. Vrich, scorpion. Bhushan, ornament. Vriksh, tree. Chain, hawk. Yut, joined. Tong, split. Patra, leaf. Buck, heron. Aj, goat. Nandin, ox. Dhara, earth. Jamb, tooth. Alamb, anchor. Vasu, land. Ashray, inn. Urnab, spider. Vritra, cirrus cloud. Dravak, spiller. Pipil, piplika, ant. Zimud, raining cloud. Apoop, honeycomb. Shush, rabbit. Panay, commodity. Jayati, barley. Dansh, sting. Janitra, parents. Vrihi, rice. Veni, braid. Nika, irrigation channel. Vaidurya, lapis lazuli. Girika, mountain river. Chiti, brick wall. Shat, wounded. Pundak, arrow's feather. Vakra, crown. Bhujang, cobra hood. Darpan, mirror. Tim, wet. Rick, torn. Barha, peacock's tail. Shambar, reindeer. Drauptimala, foxtail orchid. Serp, snake. Shambar, deer. Nakshatra, star. Pur, palace. Pratan, creeper. Chandra, moon. Jahak, polecat. Merudand, backbone. Pad, leg. Parvan, knot. Myuk, fire. Kashyap, tortoise. Shakra, Arjun plant. Dand, stick. Rudna, two-tier lines. Bhalan, three forehead lines. Raju, rope. Namah, salute. Id, ignite. Pashu, four-legged animal. Bharu, honor. Mandal, state. Separator. Ulik, scratch. Nat, inclined. Pranava, sacred syllable. Rita, cosmic order. Vajra, thunderbolt. Vitirth, quad. Niryu, trapezoid. Shikra, hilltop. Tud, break. Asu, strong. Sasya, crop. Thal, land. Dvimanu, couple. Sosopna, a name of city. Many occupational logograms are also used, like Sen, commander. Pani, merchant. Nripati, king. Amatya, noble. Ganak, accountant. Nari, woman. Rakshak, defender. Nritak, dancer. Yajnik, priest. Dandik, inspector. Dhanurdhar, archer. Acharya, teacher. Napit, barber. Tantuwai, weaver. Ratkar, charioteer. Saptati, hunter. Kravya, having bell. Paricharik, house help. Krashak, cultivator. Dhwajarohi, flag taker. Kratak, woodcutter. Charmkar, cobbler. Patrak, porter. Shibika, penguin. Patrak, postman. Here is the Indus numbers. Eka, Dva, Tra, Chatvar, Panch, Shasht, Sapt, Asht, Nav, Dash. And here is the decade system. Dash, Vishanti, Trinshat, Chatwarinchat, Panchashat, Shashti, Shaptati, Ashiti, Navti, Shat. Here pattern of word formation is given. Shiva, God Shiva. Shivaya, to Shiva. Namah Shivaya, salute to Shiva. Apra, spotless. Dvipra, radiant. Tripra, restless. Chapra, quick. Apra, Dvipra, Tripra are qualities of Aryans. Pane, commodity. Pani, merchant. Panika, merchantess. Shapnik, boatman. Prapni, head merchant. Gopti, cohort. Chakragop, wheel guard. Gopkatra, killer of cows. Naggopti, king of Nagas. Shat, wounded. Taksh, skilled. Raksh, security. Daksh, efficient. Shiks, teach. Ruksh, dry. Patra, vessel. Shap, night. Darp, pride. Dhup, incense. Dweep, island. Trip, triad. Dhat, balance. Dhata, panayadhat. Vidhat, break. Dar, cave. Sodar, sibling. Prashodar, white-fronted goose. Takshdar, skilled. Chakradar, nama, salute to wheel barrier. Ulukal, mortar. Modify. Vakrav, crooked. Ur, broad. Bhikshu, bag. Matsya, fish. Ram, immerse. Simha, lion. Shamha, able. Ikshu, sugarcane. Shikshu, student. Ikshwa, Ikshu. Shwan, dog. Shwanak, dog keeper. Jahak, polecat. Chaharak, polecat keeper. Charva, graze. Charvak, shepherd. Veni, braid. Venyati, riverbank. Ved, knowledge. This symbol found on many Vedic Panchmark coins. Gaj, elephant. Gaja, like elephant. Vritra, cirrus cloud. Vivritra, whirling. Hast, hand. Sihast, like lion. Yam, control. Yaksh, free man. Ulikhya, famous. Bhaya, fear. Bhayakratak, cutter of fear. Bhakshya, eatable. Raya, stream. Rayakritak, crossing river. Kark, crab. Vakra, crown. Kaut, cray, kret, cow. Tandak, kadandak, kadam plant. Hal, plow. Hala, hala, spotted horse. Halle, many plow. Yati, guide. Nayati, leading. Jal, water. Jalaj, waterborne. Thank you very much. To read decipher of over 500 Indus seals and to know how Indus Aryans migrate and dominate whole world, read my book, The Indus Code. Thank you.